That's the sound of a stuck garbage disposal. Well, actually, that's the sound of one that tripped itself and isn't working now. It was humming before, and that was the sound of a stuck garbage disposal. So in this episode of The Rugged Homestead, I'm going to show you how to easily unstick the garbage disposal. What you'll need to unstick the garbage disposal is a tool something like this. This is the easiest way to do it. It comes with your garbage disposal. As you can see right on there, it says food waste disposal. Don't lose this, because it makes it so much easier to fix it when things like this happen. If you have lost it and you don't have one, you can use an Allen wrench. Find one that'll fit the size. Even a hex head bolt like that would fit into your drill. You can put it into a pair of vice grips or something like that and use that. But what you're going to do is there's a slot underneath the disposal, and this will slide up into the slot, and then you turn it, and basically what's happened inside is the blades have spun and something has caught those blades and stopped it from spinning. So that's what hung it up initially. What you do is you take this tool, slide it into the slot underneath, turn it backwards so it the piece that whatever it's stuck against will free itself. And then once that happens, then there's just a reset button that you press. Here's my garbage disposal underneath the sink, and I'll flip underneath the unit so that you can actually see the slot we'll be putting it into. But you'll see that slot and also a red button. Those are the two things you're going to look for. And one other thing I want to show you, so I don't lose my tool, I've put a magnet on the side of my disposal unit, and I just stick the wrench right there. And that way I can't lose my tool. Right there in the center, sorry for the darkness underneath here, but right here, that's the slot you're gonna put your tool into. Okay, now with it in place, just going to turn it one way, there we go. Turn it that way, and that should have freed the blades. And again, I apologize if this is really dark. There, so that's loose. And let me see. Oh, it's not a red button, it's a black button. But let me see if I can somehow get some light in here. Oh, maybe if I move my head out of the way. This right here is the reset button. And now it's free. Whatever was blocking it's been ground up and it's gone through the system. So now when we throw that switch, now you can hear the disposal turn on. And it's really just as simple as that to fix your garbage disposal. You just put that tool in, or as I said, use an Allen wrench or a hex driver that you would put into your drill, and clamp that into a vice grip, and you just turn it backwards. I think I actually turned that clockwise. And looking at it from underneath, I was turning it clockwise. So once it loosens up, you hit that reset button, and it should kick right back into gear. Now, I should have had the switch off, but having flipped it back and forth so many times at the start, I forgot which way was on and which way was off. So I thought it was off, but wrong. So you definitely don't want to be sticking your fingers down into the garbage disposal without knowing that. You'd want to go down to your circuit panel, throw the switch for the the disposal before you started putting your hands into there. Because you ever saw the movie Final Destination, you don't want to be sticking your hand into the garbage disposal unit. All right, this was just a quick video. If you like what you see, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you don't already do so, and hit that alarm bell, and that way you'll be notified right away when videos like this are posted. All right, thanks for watching.